2035. What do you think the future will look like? We believe that everyone plays a crucial role in breaking barriers for a better tomorrow. In 2017, Acer initiated Project Humanity to encourage employees and partners worldwide to create a positive impact beyond ESG requirements through their professions. That's wonderful. What you have just heard is a voice from our employees all over the world, from the bottom of their heart. Now we'd like to extend our impact of the circle from internal vision or values to employees, suppliers, and partners, then to consumers and the whole society. Allow me to introduce you Acer Earthian. Earthian means earth and mission, so it's a word that we invented. It's our mission to tackle our generation environment challenges through innovation, integrated solution. It is a collaboration across supply chain, functions, and multiple generations. Today, we would like to invite some youth to talk about Earthian and how we can collaborate for tomorrow. Let's hear what the youth has to share.
As we progress into the 21st century, social, economic, and environmental issues are continuing to surface. But with their emergence also comes the solution of sustainability through technology. International institutions and organizations have acknowledged that we cannot idly stand by and watch our demise. Instead, these issues have driven us to use the full extent of our abilities towards change and development. This is where innovation enters. Take the smartphone as an example. The digital economy has come to rely on intricate hardware and software. And even for handling our trash, engineers have invented machinery to automate the process of cleaning up the environment. It is clear that technology is spearheading the sustainable solutions the environment needs. And with that, a new solution, Earthian, is placing itself as the forefront of tackling these issues. Earthian was created in a cross-generational design thinking workshop in 2020. The name Earthian means Earth Mission, representing the belief that everyone should play a critical role in this mission. We believe technology will drive the sustainable green solutions necessary to reverse these crises. We hope Earthian will help us further our mission of tackling environmental challenges through technology and innovation.
Thank you. The Earthian platform focuses on product design, and we are committed to adopt 20 to 30% PCR in our products by 2025. We also focus on areas such as production, energy, logistics, packaging design, and recycling. We are very proud to share with you we do have global partners committed to share the vision and the mission, including companies like AUO, Compel, Interlocks, Quanta, and many others. Next, I would like to share with you one of the big commitments is RE100 by 2035. It's a big commitment of Acer Group using 100% renewable energy by 2035. Another endeavor that we would like to share our two-tier carbon footprint disclosure project, where we invite our suppliers and partners to disclose their carbon footprint. Besides collaborating with suppliers, our employees also initiate projects that have made impact. For now, I would like to introduce one of our employees, Henry, to join me on the stage. Thank you, Jason. Good to see you here. Great. Henry, do you want to share with people what we have been doing, what we have achieved?
Sure. That's my pleasure. I'm glad to be here and share the results from some of our environmental efforts. Every decision counts, as even a small storm can make big ripples. Till the end of 2020, over 50 tons of batteries were recycled and remanufactured into new batteries from our internal recycling activities. And in 2020 alone, we have shipped over 6 million phthalate-free products and over 8.8 million products contained with recycled plastic.
So, recycled plastic and batteries are two major areas that we focus.
Don't forget the packaging.
Oh yeah, packaging is another one.
Yeah, 100% of Acer's laptops have already adopted recycled paper for packaging. It might seem a lot, but not enough for us.
Keep going.
Yeah, sustainable design is actually a very complicated and challenging topic. Our endeavors started since 2016 with our Acer teams, our partners, and our suppliers working together and going through various possibilities, including materials, manufacturing processes, surface treatments, and structure designs. The most important part to us and to our partners was to put this into action. So in 2020, we consolidated all these efforts together and made it real. So today, I'm so excited to introduce to you Aspire Vero.
Wait. That's my line. Ladies and gentlemen, allow us to introduce Aspire Vero.
Vero, green innovation starts here. Vero means truth. For us, the truth is that we only have this one Earth. Vero products need to consider environmental protection from multiple angles, including sustainable materials, repairability, upgradability, recyclability, and identity. Now, let's have a close look at Aspire Vero, our new laptop based on sustainable principles. The laptop has been designed to be both earth-friendly and stylish. We combine colors, pigment effects, and texture to co-create a unique earthy style. It comes with high-quality details while avoiding additional surface treatment processes that are potentially harmful to the environment. Aspire Vero is made with post-consumer recycled, or in short, PCR plastic. We chose PCR plastic because it is a direct and efficient solution to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, up to 20% less carbon dioxide emissions than raw plastic. Most parts you see on this product are made with PCR plastic, including the enclosure and the keyboard caps. Even the display panel from our partner, AUO, is greener, which contains PCR plastic in its internal structure. If you noticed, our designers put some interesting and playful details on this design. The keyboard printing, PCR icon, and the lively earth engraved underneath are showing to the world that we are proud of what we believe. The design is to invite people who care for the environment like us, and together we can make our earth a better place. Besides the eco-friendly materials, Aspire Vero does not compromise on performance and product life. It's equipped with 11th generation Intel Core processors with a newly designed dual-fan cooling system to ensure its performance and an optimum user experience. It's been designed to allow users to upgrade its memory and storage to make sure the product keeps performing well year after year, and to minimize waste. Our packaging is also made from recycled paper, with minimum printing for further recycling again in the future. We have also redesigned the structure to eliminate all plastic bags or protection films that are commonly seen in laptop packaging, while still provide great protection for the product. Aspire Vero is more than a computer. It is a laptop created with sustainability as its core. and as a statement to show we care. As I said, every decision counts. This is a decision that we made, and now your decision to support us will make the result even stronger.